Hey everyone, this is Parvez, co-founder and CEO of ThriveDesk, and I'm really excited to show you our new live chat assistants. So before dive into the new assistant, let me show you the existing one and how it loads and overall behaves. So I'm in the ThriveDesk website where the live chat assistant is here. So let's just refresh the page and see how it works. So once the page is loaded, you will see a nice fade-in animation. In the live chat widget, and once you click, there is no mouse over or any movement activities here. So if you click it, it will give you a spinner icon and load the widget. So what happened behind the scene is when you click the widget, there are several other JavaScript modules that will load behind the scene. So that's why you see a little loading spinner, and then 3 widget is loaded. Number 1 is the new conversation, then knowledge base widgets, and they send us an email widget. So this is how it is, and this is how it's been working for a while. So we decided to change it to a completely new dimension. So let me show you the new widget and compare it side by side. So let's just open a new split tab so I can show you side by side view and load our new widget. So be careful, be very attentive to how it load and how it behaves. So once the page is loaded, you will see a very nicely subtle animated widget assistance comes here, and if you mouse over here, you will see a nice little zoom in effect, whereas in the old one you will not see any of these effects taking place. So in the old one, you click and you will see the widget as it is, but here in the new widget, everything is tailor made and polished. So click here and you will see a nice animations comes up. So let me do again. Click on and you will see the subtle animations. Everything is very animated, subtly very animated, and it looks good. So first thing you will notice, the tab interface. So we have the home and docs interface, and in the next release we will have message and other interface as well. So purpose of this tab is so we can accommodate more feature on our next release. So in the home interface, you will see all the widget here. All the 3 widget is here. So let's compare all the widgets side by side. Here in the chat widget, let's click here as well. So pay attention to the details. So both widget have a very different now appearance. So we decided to get rid of all this clutter and make it very minimal so that we can focus on the what matters, and here the chat is what matters. So previously the screen real estate was really low, and now we have made it to really high. So now the chat real estate is very high. Now let's send in a message, and once you send a message on the existing one, you will see the bot is asking for an email address. Now the most of our customers complain that they don't very often understand that it is asking for email address and continuously started to sending the message. So we improve this experience. So let's see how it works in the new one. So let me send the same message, and of course you see the interface is also very different, and I will go through it a bit. So I'm sending in a message, and you see the previous sending message interface is slided down and the new enter your email address is popped up. So whenever you send a message and press enter, there is a new built-in email validation feature so that you can understand what is missing, whereas the old one, you send message and it will just keep asking you for the email address, no validation, no whatsoever. But the email is not going to the agent end because it's not going to the server because of this validation. But now you can see how it's validating and giving you the very good user experience. So just hit the enter and you will see the email message box is slided down and the new message pops up. And once the new message pops up, that means it's waiting for the agent, and you can now attach email address. This feature is just enabled. It was not enabled in the before. And we do have like before the emoji picker, and we have a lot of now real estate to give you a more feature in our coming release. So this is how the new conversation screen worked. Now let's get back to the send us an email widget. So let's click here and you can see it's resonate with the previous design, you press the button and nothing is happening, it's showing something wrong. So you click new one, and if you press send a message, you will see a clear error message. So your name is required, email is required, subject is required, and whatsoever. So that's one thing. There's another thing is, let's get rid of it and come back again. There is a new email attachment feature. So if you attach any email here, you will see a nice looking pop-up and with very subtle animation, and everything is now well thought out and tailor made the design, and we have fixed all the issues that you have reported. Now let's head back to the widget. So there is another feedback we got from our user. Although this is a button, but it looks like an search bar. So whenever you click here in the old one, it takes you to the search dock part and the search area. So most of the time people thought that by pressing here it will start, they can start typing here. So this is the very bad user experience. Now you can see in the widget, it looks like a button and everything under it looks like a clickable element. So click here, it take you to the dock section. Just notice you can click the dock button and you come back to the search and you search here. And also you can click the article and read the article from here. So you can zoom in, zoom out, all these things are there like before. So it's completely rewritten from the ground up for your overall experience. Now the most important part is this widget, this old widget or the existing widget is completely based on the iframe. If you can look at the code, it's based on the iframe. So it works good, works most of the sites. But if you're a Shopify developer, Wix developer, or Squarespace, or whatever platform developer you are, and you wanted to build the help widget inside your app screen, so now the Shopify, Wix, and the other platform does not allow you to include the iframe version. So now the new interface is completely based on the web component. And the web component, beautiful part is web component here. You see it is a completely different HTML markup language, and everything inside it preserve the styles and everything. And now you can just copy the code and paste in your Shopify dashboard, Wix dashboard, or whatever platform you use that does not allow the iframe. Now you can do that. So this is the part. And the other improvement part is this now widget is utilizing the latest pre-render pre-fetching technology. So whenever you hover the mouse here, it will automatically pre-fetch all the necessary JavaScript to load the widget behind the scene for you. And whenever you mouse over all this widget has a separate JavaScript module, so it will also load that module behind the scene from you. So that is now blazing fast, and the experience is really well nurtured, or whatever I say. So that's all for now, and I'm really excited to release this feature. You will soon able to see all your website is changed to the new design and new button of live chat assistant. So I hope you enjoy this feature, and let us know in the comment what you like, what you don't like, and what we could improve. So I'll be waiting for your comments.